write to them about your ticket. How about, can I write them?
Write the what?
I will write to the court to tell them.
Oh yeah, sure. At least the judge and I can communicate with you. Yeah, but it's up to you because it's hard to say. It never happened before.
Yeah.
I drove taxi since 2003.
Yeah.
It just happened today. It just tired.
I feel bad.
It never happened.
I didn't know where we were supposed to stand.
Yeah.
I feel bad because I think when you get a ticket, you have to pay a lot of money, right?
Yeah, I drove taxi since 2003.
Yeah.
It never happened before like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, all the other taxi drivers never share the experience like that.
Yeah.
I don't know. Must be to go to the court.
You know how mommy got a ticket one time? Well, when you're driving a cab, when you drive all the time, they're always trying to give you tickets and you have to pay. That's no fun.
They should find a solution, not judgment. In my opinion, yeah, I don't know. In my job, I always tell everybody, if you don't have solution, keep your mouth shut up. Yeah, like me, if I don't have solution, I keep my mouth shut up. I don't want to judge others. I have to find out why that people do that. What makes that, you know. Yeah, I'm not a judge, so not my profession to judge somebody.
I was telling him when you were sick, I thought that maybe then he would feel bad and let the driver know. I know you're not sick. I was telling him because I felt like he's late and it would be nice to pick up a kid, right?
Because the judge will say, oh, that's your story. What's the proof? When the passenger say the lady has a sick child, whatever.
Yeah.
How can I communicate with you?
Yeah. No, I'm sorry. I just can't go to court because I am too busy with him. I cannot do it.
Yeah, no, at least like the phone number, whatever. Yeah, I don't know.